Sennheiser are finally making the approach to go with true wireless earbuds for sports. These are the Sennheiser SPORT earbuds and they could be your companion for a good workout. As all of the earbuds that we are seeing right now on the market, these also come in a very nice case. This case is made out of plastic, it has some matte finish, and I cannot say that this is one of the most compact cases that you can actually find and that you can use. My main concern with the shape of the case is that it doesn't fit very well in the pocket, and I do not like how bulgy the pocket gets when you put them in. If you're going to carry them in a bag or in a backpack, it will be okay, but in the pocket it is a no-no. Also, if you're going to carry them in a pocket and if you're going to carry another item in your pocket like your keys or like some coins or stuff, you have to know that this case can get scratched pretty easy. At least my sample got scratched very easy and I was carrying it in my pocket without anything else in it. The case itself can be charged via USB Type-C that you can connect to a power adapter to your outlet, or you can connect to your PC or laptop. The great thing here is that the battery life is good both on the earphones and on the case, and I really don't have any complaints about this thing. The main highlight here are the earbuds and the fact that they are IP certified. So in this case you can sweat with them, you can run in the rain, and you probably won't have any problems with them working for quite a while. For a sweaty situation you have no problem with them working very well, and my only suggestion for you is to clean them afterwards, because all the sweat contains salt and the salt is not okay to stay on plastic. In terms of comfort, these earbuds are very well thought because they have silicone hooks. You are provided with 3 sizes of silicone hooks in the package, so you can change them depending on the shape of your ear. I have to say that maybe the size of my ear is the final limit, because if my ear was a little bit smaller, the earbuds won't be fitting at all in it. Because of the people that don't want to wear earbuds with a silicone hook, Sennheiser have provided a silicone ring that can be placed on the same place where you actually attach the hook, and it won't bother you in any way. If you're going to use any of the hook mounts, I have to tell you that these earbuds are not going to move anywhere. If you're going to make burpees, if you're going to make some sprints, if you're going to run for a longer time, if you're jumping, if you're skipping a rope or something like this, these just stay cemented in your ears. They are not moving anywhere, they are not going anywhere for sure. One of the things that you have to keep in mind is that the body of the earbuds themselves is a little bit bigger. I'm used to my Jabra Elite 7 Pro, which are so damn small, and these here are a little bit chunky, and for some people with smaller ear, with tighter ear, this may not fit at all. Maybe one of the most interesting things here is that you are provided with 2 sets of silicone ear tips for the earbuds. You have silicone ear tips with a blue ring and one that are all black. The difference here is that the blue silicone ear tips are actually made for awareness mode. And by awareness mode, I really mean awareness of your surrounding, because these headphones does not have any ANC. They also don't have side tone when you're not talking on the phone. So you're going to use the blue silicone tips if you want to hear your surrounding. If you don't give a about your surrounding, you're going to use the black silicone ear tips, and they're going to isolate almost all of the noises there. The microphones here are on the good side. I have made some recordings with my phone with the installed recorder there, and I want to tell you a few things here. The microphones have a very nice quality of the audio. They're picking up almost every single tone, but they also have a problem. And the problem is actually that the earbuds don't have a second microphone that is used for cutting out all the excess noise, all your surrounding noises. In this case, every people that you are going to talk to on the phone is going to hear your surrounding. But I have made some recordings and I'm leaving you here to listen and make the conclusion for yourself. So this is an audio sample from the Sennheiser earbuds. This is maybe the cleanest form of audio that you can get from these headphones, because if you're going to use them for phone calls, if you're going to use them for applications like Messenger, like WhatsApp, Viber and things like this, they may have some kind of compression. So in this case, this is the cleanest audio that you're going to get. And now we are going to test it in a louder environment, because now I'm in a quiet place. So this is the test of the Sennheiser earbuds while I'm in a very loud environment. Here I am at a traffic light, and there are many cars passing by around me. There are also many people here, there are many children, and I don't think that these
is the best pair of earbuds if you're going to use them very often for making phone calls, for making business calls or stuff like this. I think that you're going to need something else that has noise suppression, that is going to cut out all the side noise from your environment, and the other side will be able to hear only you. So in this case, I don't think that these are the best for talking.
And a little bit about the controls. Here you don't have a physical button. Sennheiser earbuds are actually relying on a touch-sensitive panel, and you can control your multimedia from there, you can control your voice assistant, you can also pick or close calls. All the settings that you can adjust are inside the Sennheiser app, that is now a new application and is very user-friendly. I have to say that this time I have no complaints about the Sennheiser app. From there you can easily adjust the top settings, so you can personalize everything that you want for the headphones and for the touch sensitivity. My only problem with the touch sensitivity is that the right headphone doesn't always recognize that I tap 2 times. It sometimes recognizes that I tap only 1 time and it pauses my song, but this is maybe because it's not a final unit and it is for a review only. In terms of sound, the Sennheiser Sport are not going to disappoint you if you are a bass lover. If you are also loving the high frequencies, they are also there. So you have something like a V-shape sounding here with these headphones. I'm not expecting that someone is going to buy these earbuds and he is going to want a flatline sound with nice mid, with balanced height, with balanced bass or something like this. Usually the workout earbuds that we can find right now on the market are with a V-shape, so they are very heavy on the bass, they are very crispy on the highs, and this is maybe because all the people that are looking for such type of audio are looking for it while working out. If you are running, if you are out of breath, the last thing that you are going to be concerned about is the mids of the headphones. You are going to look for that bass, you're going to look for that crispy highs that are going to get you pumped up for your run, that are going to get you pumped up for your gym. So in this case, I think that Sennheiser nailed it in terms of the sound, because these are sport earbuds. As I told you a bit earlier, the Sennheiser application here is brand new. They have finally changed this thing that was before, because I call it a thing because it is not something that was very nice to work with. The equalizer was absolutely not understandable, it was not easy to adjust. Here you have a brand new app with a brand new equalizer that you can adjust. Also you have here your settings for your side tone, you have the settings here for the different earbud types, because as I told you, this can be changed depending on your needs. If you are going to need an earbud that is going to give you awareness of the situation, awareness around you, you're going with the blue tips, and if you're going for full block out of the side noise, you're going with the black tips that are going to block most of the sound. As a conclusion, I can say that these earbuds are very well made for sport-oriented people, for people that want something that is going to be cemented in their ear, that is not going to move anywhere, that is going to provide them with a nice and crispy sound with a very heavy bass, a little bit of mids, but especially the bass here is on a very good level. Also, the 3 sizes of hooks that are provided in the package are very useful, because as we know, every person has a different size of ear, a different shape of ear, and Sennheiser thought even for people that don't want any hooks, and they included a silicone ring. My only complaint is that the case here is not the right shape. It is okay size-wise, but it is not the right shape for a nice fit in your pocket. If you're going to carry it in a backpack, it is okay. If you have a nice big pocket on your hoodie, it's also okay. But if you're going to carry them in your jeans, it won't be the best thing. My unit got scratched very easy, and I hope that the final production unit won't have any issues at all with the covering, with the coating of the case, and that Sennheiser actually thought about this thing. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, I hope you find it useful. If it is like that, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to ring the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.